This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Let's get to the charts. I'm late. Yeah, trying to get the setup going. Thought I'd be early today, but
early.
Hey, look who it is. Look who stepped in.
Good morning.
Did you see my thumbnail?
I did.
Yeah. Who's bigger?
We're comparing sizes again.
Okay, I'm late. I need a light on my desk here.
What? When did you get out here?
Yeah, but I'm supposed to try and get in at
9:15. I know. You want to be here before me.
9:15 or early. Yeah, that's right. So we can get out of the. I can finish my shtick and move on to yours.
You want to say, I got here before Omnius. I got here for Omnius.
It's all
exactly what it is.
Wow. So yeah, I was in Luna's stream yesterday, just for a bit at 8 o'clock. If I'm looking at the 30-minute chart, there was that big dump from 2350, 500 to 3.
Oh, I've seen that. Oh yeah, it was 100 points.
Yeah, he was trading that, and now since then, pretty much we've just been dead in the water, trading sideways. We didn't even take out the Asia high or the low. So
apparently that was all based on Trump news.
Yeah, I heard there was some Trump.
Firing some Fed member.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was crypto related, actually. My son was telling me something about crypto. But
I think everything took a dump, except for gold. I think gold shot through the roof.
Did it really? We got gold. I got it up $1.40. I mean, you could consider that shooting through the roof. It depends on your perspective. Gold's up $1.40. It's shot through the roof. It's a moonshot. Crypto, Bitcoin is down $805. I'm bugging you. 110,000.
This guy.
I'm bugging you. Hey, if you're gonna set me up, if you're gonna pitch me a softball, I'm gonna try and hit it.
Might as well, right? Bama, good morning. All right, go.
That's it. So what do we're I don't really have a bias. I don't know. I think I'm just trying to figure out trade direction today because we didn't break the Asia session high or low, and we're between VWAP and previous day's close. Trade cautiously. That's all I got to tell you.
All right, go to the hourly chart. Let's go to the daily. Get off of there. I hate it when I try to do something on TradingView and it goes to Ninja Trader. Let Ninja Trader stay in your lane. You know you can't switch time frames like that.
We'll follow along here.
Go to the daily. We had a huge push up. That was what, Friday? Yesterday it was kind of trickled down a little bit. Came down to support. The 3 hours today looks like we came down, pushed back up. That was probably after night. Middle of the night. Go to the hourly. Once again, same thing. Came down to support, bouncing around a little bit. Market still deciding what it wants to do. Once again, point out we have this trend line going down. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count these 6, 7, 8 times. So on the hourly bull bear case, bulls want to push up, break the trend line, get above this resistance, build structure, and then push up higher. Could see the 23,800. I don't know if we'll see it today. First, we want to get to the 23,600. Bear case, we kind of have a trend line right here, kind of creating this wedge. Yeah, kind of like that. So there's even another, bulls want to get above that trend line also first.
Hey, I just got an idea.
Bears want to break down, get below the support, build structure, go down to the 23,300. Go 30-minute, not really any different structure. 15. Oh, we're early. Got 7 minutes. Yeah, it's about all I see. We did come down. Let's go back to the 30-minute real quick. Did have this double bottom here, almost kind of triple bottom. Kind of creates pattern, shot up, then creating the double top. So we got a lot of indecision. All right.
Put in my earpiece. I felt like a flight attendant.
Thought you were a flight attendant.
As you were talking, I was using my mouse and I was showing. We got the trend line here. Support. We came to support. I was doing it with my mouse. I was just displaying it on my chart. See, I know what you're talking about now. The levels, everything.
You got to do the mouth thing.
I'm starting to be able to follow you.
All right, we're at 2 minutes. And we still got 5 minutes. All right, tell us a couple jokes or something.
Okay.
Or do you have any more analysis? Is that it for the analysis?
Yeah, I think so. What are we? 11:24. Market's opening in 5 minutes. Let's. I think markets have to show us what they want to do. We're not in a clear area right now, at least not in my opinion, especially being stuck above VWAP and above the previous day's low, but below the previous day's close. What do I think is on traders' minds most of the time in this case? Either a touch of VWAP, but definitely a gap fill. You have previous day's close, I'm guessing also 23,500?
I don't know. Working on something else real quick. Sorry about that. Okay, exit out of that. What do you have? Previous day's close? I don't know. I don't track the close. I have the open 23,505.
Yeah, there we go. That's it. It was 1 hour later, so it opened up 3 points higher.
Really probably should track the close because it is more accurate.
Yeah, well, like we said yesterday, you know what? Who knows what people are following, to be honest with you. Everyone's got different numbers. Even the same platform has different numbers. But wow, look at my Renko chart, how ugly that looks. That's kind of sideways action, and that's for a half an hour. It really is quiet. 4-point range on the 1 minute charts. That's discouragingly quiet. Hopefully it picks up.
We do have consumer confidence at 10 o'clock and Richmond Manufacturing Index 10 o'clock. Both are medium folders, so probably not going to be any big market moves. You never know, right? Could be enough just to throw off your strategy and screw you up.
What time is today's 2 minute opening range?
No, same time it is every day. What are we going to do?
Nothing's changed on that strategy.
What are we going to do today, Brian? Same thing we do every day. Try to make a few points on the NQ.
Okay, let's get Bulenox opened up also. Get the...
That one was supposed to be funnier. It's still early. We'll get better throughout the day.
Yeah, the jokes get better. The jokes get better as the likes go up. Nothing's free in this world.
Uh-huh.
What? I lost Ninja Trader? Can't open this item?
You'll see it. You can't have but one instance open.
No, it's been like almost deleted from my computer. What I'm thinking is there was an update and it removed the icon from the system tray or whatever it is.
How about you guys? But I hate updates.
Yeah, especially when they're forced.
Everything on my computer wants to update, and I'm like, no, I can't handle it right now. And my phone wants to update. Everything wants to update.
My phone did an update. Everything looks new. Not only that, it deleted. Well, I told you, everything on my contact list got deleted. My whole contact list just disappeared. I had to redo it. All 5 entries.
I can't even remember the last time I've updated anything and was like, man, that was a really good update. I really like that.
When was the last time you did an update and you lied back and smoked a cigarette after it?
Like I'm already trying. Like every update in the world sucks. Like just leave me alone. I'm already used to how it works. Either fix something or stop doing updates.
Fix things. That's what an update should do, but not change things. I want to change things, make it in a new version.
I'm still mad at my phone because I can't see it at nighttime.
Yeah.
Because they make it too damn dark. People have been complaining about it for years and they still won't fix it.
Yeah, I had that problem too. Hey, did I tell you I got a little wet wipe? I cleaned my camera. I found it was a little foggy.
Yeah, I just cleaned mine this morning.
So I cleaned it. I think we're going to be able to see the charts much clearer today.
I just use a napkin. A little bit of water and a napkin.
Yeah, anything wet.
Finally, got to do it about twice a week.
Market's open. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, I need a bell.
Twice a week. Well, I don't really touch my... I don't really touch it, so it just sits there.
The camera? Yeah, but it just picks up dust.
Mine was fingerprints because I was playing with the lighting of it for a while, so I guess I got my fingerprints all over the...
You can't keep playing with it all the time. I told you that.
You heard Apex gave me back my PA account?
Yeah, you was telling me last night.
Yeah, wow, remember? That was a long time ago.
My chart looks weird. Does it always look like this? I'm about to start recording my stream so I know what I'm supposed to look like.
Well, I have to say my overall bias is bullish right now. I think you're probably the same thing. If I were to guess, currently.
I think I'm going to try to stay neutral because I think we're at a spot where we could either shoot up or shoot down.
Yeah, I was going to say talk fast before it changes.
No. Also, the VWAP's flat. The 5-minute moving average is flat. So I don't know. What's this up here? So we could just bounce around about a 50, 100 point range, something like that.
Wow. It's pretty air pockety, the trading.
I think I got my normal setups. I got the bot reconfigured, so once again, got to see how it's going to react. And just look for decent setups and take them.
Two-minute ORB alert.
Just hoping I finally got it to take the orders properly. Like I was telling you, the code's getting so long, it's getting hard to change. Once again, though,
Gap fill.
Shout out to DeepSeek for doing a great job.
Yeah. Sparky, I'm working now. We just did the gap fill.
What gap fill? How do you see a gap?
Gap fill. We filled a gap. We opened at 23,470. The previous day's close was 23,500. We filled a gap and we went red to green. but now we're back in red.
Why didn't you say all that in the pre-market analysis?
I did.
Did you?
Yeah, I said that.
Man.
That's what's on people's minds. Gap fill every morning. I think that's.
Really need to start listening.
Yeah, you do. I think that's, if you're trading with, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy type of stuff, because if everybody's thinking about it, then it works. The gap fill, I think, is a trade that everyone is aware of, looking at. Everyone's saying, hey, if we're 30, 40 points away, are we going to fill the gap? Everyone's maybe even trying to jump in on that trade.
Oh, you're going from the open?
From the New York Open to the
regular trading hours?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, maybe well, everyone trading stocks, that's what they're looking at, eh?
Yeah, you're right.
That was from my stock days. Market opens. Where are we opening? Are we opening up? Are we opening lower?
So far away from those days, I forgot them.
Yeah.
That's why it's good having multiple people. Building community, sharing ideas.
You're calling me multiple people? I'm not that big. I
mean,
only take up one box like you do.
We only take up one box.
Am I going to give him a hard time? Is he stretching my head again? Am I some kind of alien on his stream? I don't know. I can't see.
It's the same way you liked it yesterday. Today you'll get mad about it.
Coneheads. Yeah, that's what it is. You make me into a conehead. I remember that from Saturday Night Live in the old days. They had a skit with coneheads.
It's not that bad.
Well, I wanted to see price move up, fill the gap, and now I want to see it hold. Stay green.
I feel like I make it to the way you like it, and then you don't like it no more.
No, I think it looks good. I can't really see because it's small. But
it's not that small.
A cell phone.
Okay.
It's the size of a...
Oh, I was going to tell you, yeah. Because YouTube alters things depending on where you look at it. So I'm looking at it on a widescreen TV. So maybe that's like counteracting it a little bit. To where you're looking at it on a cell phone. So that's probably the issue.
Yeah. No, because I put it up side by side with mine. And, today it's better. But, yeah, the other days you had us... we had pencil heads.
You're comparing them side by side?
Yeah. My stream and your stream. So I put the camera side by side, like a screenshot. Yeah. You turned us into pencil heads. It doesn't show so much for you because you're wearing a cap. So there's only a little small piece of your face. Your visible head and face is half my size. The rest is the cap.
Good. I just light up here. It's really not even that bright, but I can't stand light my eyes. You see those people that got those big old ring lights shining in their eyes? I don't know how they do it.
We got a trade at 06. I'm long at 05.75.
21.
Not a much better price. Sparky, go away. Don't be a losing trade. Oh, you're such a bugger. Not on that account. Well, this account's not able to go anywhere.
Is that the unlucky account?
No, this is the one that got reinstated by Apex, and I got up to 700, and now I'm just bouncing up and down and up and down and up and down. I get up to 700, get down to 500, up to 700, down to 500, up to 900. But now I went the other way.
So I think I became an affiliate with that company, but I still don't know. I gotta message them or something, figure it out, because they give you a code. I guess you can't put in a custom code. But then every time I reset the site, it gives me a different code. How can I give somebody a code if every time it changes the code?
Huh.
I don't understand. But apparently they give you a full license to Quantower.
Wow.
I think it's like $40, $50 or something for the eval. So I think they're worth checking out. What was it? Day trader or something? Let me go. There's so many of them. I can't remember like which ones are which.
Daytrader.com, I think it was.
Daytrading.com.
Daytrader.com. Okay, well, we went up. We filled the gap. We never closed. We never had a full candle above the previous day's close. So there was no retest on the red to green crossover. Now we're at VWAP. Do we bounce off VWAP? We just wicked out the US session lows. Now let's, I guess, just see what price wants to do. 1, 2. Your 2-minute ORB probably did well, eh? Opening range trade.
I don't think I took it yet, did it? Oh, okay. So
looks like it did well.
No, I turned that one off. So I had it more aggressive on the other account, but on this account, I'm trying out the less aggressive, more conservative one, and that's not going to take the 930. It's going to take the 940.
You know what? I think I have a band bounce. I'll take it for 2. It's a good price. It's not going to be a big stop loss. Sparky, come on, man. You're starting to stress me. You can't ask for cookies every 5 minutes like you haven't eaten.
But I like cookies.
Oh, it doesn't stop meowing. You give him like 10 cookies, which you're only supposed to give him 2.
Well, you short. Well, I got a buy set up.
Yeah, well, I got a band bounce off the... But it's going to be a very tight stop, and it stopped out already.
Yeah. Set up. Try a buy. Did it not show up? Why am I not showing up? What's going on?
That's the sound I make when I'm not listening to you.
I know, it's the sound I make. My freaking trade won't show up on the freaking chart like it's supposed to.
If ever you're saying something and all you hear me say is,
at least the other chart popped up. I don't know what it is about these Ninja Trader charts. They just work when they want to. They don't work when they want to.
Yeah.
It's so sensitive, like the size and everything. If it's not the perfect size, perfect layout, it won't work.
That's the thing. There's too many technical difficulties. It shouldn't be like that.
It sure is a lot.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm going to switch over to the waiting stream for a minute. I'm not going nowhere. Be right back in a second.
Order submitted.
Looks like we're going higher. I got in at the wrong place. Pushing strong, though.
Order submitted.
Let's wait for a setup.
Chart maybe work now. Now the other one don't work. They all just work when they want to.
37 seconds. Let's see if this candle can close without touching the previous day's close. And then we can have a retest trade. Touched it. It touched it. We got to wait another candle.
You touched? I told you not to touch it.
No, not me. Price.
Oh.
I'm just watching the touching. I'm not doing the touching.
You're just watching.
I'm watching. Yeah, trading is a spectator sport.
Still bouncing back and forth from that wedge. This could be the push though. Seems like a decent candle on the hourly. Just got to push up with some momentum.
Momentum.
Order submitted.
Yeah, so was you watching the market last night when it just shot 100 points?
No, I just, like I said, I just happened to go into Luna's stream, and he started trading right at that moment. So he really caught it at the right time.
Oh, he was short?
Well, he was short and then he went long at the bottom. Caught them both.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, it's great when you miss 944.
Order submitted.
What's great is when you show up in the evening session and you miss all the dead volatility and you catch the move.
And then it's just
awesome.
Dead again.
Yeah. And I think he was saying he's tired, so I didn't stick around, but I think he quit because he kept saying he's tired. Okay, Sparky, I'll give you. Why don't I just empty the whole bucket on the floor?
Show up, it moves 100 points, moves right back. Okay, guys, got 200 points. See y'all tomorrow.
Who says the evening session is dead? Who are these liars?
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
Okay, I gotta find out what the MFFU policy is on news and reset my alarms, because my alarm is 1 minute before news, and if their policy is 2 minutes before news, then my 1 minute before news alarm is useless, right? If you
seeing a lot of that now, the no trading news. I didn't know that was such a big thing.
Hey, where's my mouse sticking? But I just realized I did it again. It's not the little 945 orange folder news things that they tell you to stay away from. It's just the big ones.
Well, this is just medium folder.
Yeah, so I keep saying the same thing every day. Oh, I got to get out 944. I don't want to break the news policy, and then I'm realizing, hey, wait a minute, it doesn't apply to that.
This one really shouldn't matter that much, but if you're in a trade, it might be enough to screw up the analysis. Like, hey, look, this is a nice looking long. When you jump in, it drops 30, 40 points. Might have the same trade over again, huh?
I emailed Bulenox, asked them what's going on with the, or sent a thing to help. What's going on with this reset thing all the time, you know? So I didn't check if they answered me yet, but
Apex finally messaged me back. Same bullshit response.
Yeah.
Well, trade plan didn't work out there.
Got Bulenox up.
About exited out again. I got you today, fucker.
Make one more move.
All right. Strategy submitted an order that generated the following error. Order rejected. Strategy has sent cancel request, attempted to close position and terminate itself.
There you go.
It's still self-destructing. What's that mean? Submitted an order that generated the following error. Order rejected. Order can't be placed. Administrator only. What does that mean?
Wow. Well, that's
expected order, sell order. I don't know what all that means. I have to get with GPT. Oh wait, I might know what that one meant. Okay, I'll make stupid mistakes.
Mm.
That administrator only kind of gave that one away.
I didn't want to say anything, but yeah.
I was like, I know I got the right account. Come on, guys. Numbers are hard first thing in the morning. No, it's too late, isn't it? Oh. Okay. Well, once again, was a nice winner.
Don't force it. Wow, I'm having a good coffee. You know what really goes good in coffee? Coconut, believe it or not. Look at the price action. Wow. Opened up, traded higher, closed the gap. Came down, wicked the US session low, immediately reversed, hard, went up, got back to the gap, took out the US session highs again. Talk about seek and destroy, eh? And now we came down again.
92 points.
Wow. Breakout traders. I'm sorry.
That was kind of impressive.
I feel bad for you.
Yeah, I never was good at a breakout trader.
Now we came into the previous day's low. See, there's a lot of things interfering with the movement of the with clean movement.
Isn't it crazy how easy back testing is, but forward testing is so difficult?
Mm.
It's like in theory this works great. And you start testing it and like this goes wrong and this goes wrong and still rejected again off that bottom trend line. I mean, went through it a little bit, but wicked right back up. What are we looking for? We're looking for the 15-minute retest, which is now. Yeah.
15-minute retest. Yeah, definitely.
VWAP right there.
But I didn't think about it at all, but I don't think I'm going to take it because this is a really strong candle bouncing off the previous day's low.
The same thing.
But now we are into VWAP. Uh-oh.
Working today.
5 minutes to Wapner. We'll let it go. We both said we'll let it go. We'll let it go. And look, we made the right call.
No, I jumped in. I got stopped out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It was only like 10 points.
Yeah.
I wasn't giving it much with that momentum.
Yeah.
Figures the one day I actually remember to take it. And it's that VWAP. I couldn't resist that. It's that VWAP and it's the 15-minute test.
Yeah. Yeah, it was hard to not take that also.
Trade like that, I'd rather lose than not take it.
Yeah, with VWAP also there for you. I'd also rather you lose than me not take it.
Sometimes it's good losing trades. Reminds you can take a hit and keep right on going.
Yeah, when there's a setup like that, you take it. You'd be wrong not to.
You got a Morningstar pattern on the 2-minute.
That's one of those trades that come and they're screaming at you. In general, I don't like to make decisions based on VWAP, but we do have an SMT now on the 5-minute. Didn't NQ take out some swing lows and ES didn't?
Yeah, I guess so. Mm-hmm.
You see, I have a short now, but I'm not
Yeah,
shorting
yeah.
on VWAP. Reason not to take a trade. If there's a reason not to take a trade, if there's an extra obstacle, I'm staying away.
We have a SMT going into a Morningstar.
I just wish I knew there was a way to determine which market is going to influence which. Is the weak market going to pull down the stronger market, or is the stronger market going to put upward pressure on the weaker market?
I quit trying to figure that out.
Yeah, we talked about it. I think the best way to do it is if you're looking for a short trade, put the odds in your favor, go on the weaker market. If you're seeing a long trade, put the odds in your favor, go on the relatively stronger market. Makes sense, no? Theory of relativity. Einstein liked it. If it was good for Einstein, it's good for the markets.
Was it? What about that whole theory that he was a patent clerk?
Yeah, for a while. He was staying under the radar. Government was after him.
I mean, you're a patent clerk and you just happen to come upon a bunch of patents. I'm not saying it's true. I'm just saying there's that theory.
Nah, I'm sure he backed it up with some pretty serious math. I don't think they allowed him just to declare everything that he came up with. And besides, no one's patenting the theory of relativity.
Crazy talk.
No, it's a theory. It's an idea. You can't patent that. It's not a physical object or a working timepiece on your wrist or whatever.
Still kind of going sideways. What are you looking at? Anything?
I have an account that I'm trying to pass on Bulenox. I'm at 52,844. So I'm trying to get a little bit of a move up here, up into, I guess, the previous day's close again.
You gonna trade?
Oops. 52,908. Yeah, I was in a long. Thought that would have taken me over the edge, but it didn't. Let's try again. Just doing some quick scalping off the Renko bars. When the Renko bar turns black, I get in. If it makes a full black bar, I get out. And if it let's go push a little lower. One more push. And yeah, just doing some quick scalps. I was so close twice, and then I hit losing trades.
Yep, I know that feeling.
It'll keep me busy today.
So Bulenox didn't respond to your message?
Oh, no, I didn't check if they responded.
Okay, I think you said that.
I didn't check yet to see if it's some new policy. I said, is it a new policy? Do I have to be checking now all the time?
I was looking in that little question box thing and it didn't say that. It said it's supposed to still be the same. I think maybe they had some staff changes or something. Training new people, something like that. Hopefully. Always want to hope it's the best, right? Best scenario. Couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep very good last night.
Oh, really? No, I slept like a baby. I slept well.
I think I got up about 1. I was like, what can I take? Let me go to sleep.
Huh.
Wife's like, you're up again? Well, I can't sleep.
Hey, Skeletor.
Skeletor, good morning. Now that the skeletons are coming out the closet, we can find better trades. Skeletor, you see any trades? Long, short? We're staying out of this.
Well, we're in that range again. What I was saying before. I know I'm answering for Skeletor, waiting for him to get your message. 10 o'clock. But between VWAP and previous day's close, for me, that's always been a be careful zone.
We are in a daily fair value gap for those gap traders.
Are we really?
Yeah.
I don't even know
I didn't
if
even
that
notice
shows.
that earlier.
Yeah. Wood chip used to point those out for me.
Came right to the middle of it at that resistance and went down. As the ICT traders would say, see, it works every time.
It works every time it works.
Skeletor's in a long trade.
Yeah, I just got along with a very, very tight stop. 99. My stop is at 80. I don't even know where my stop is. I can't calculate it that quickly. But either way, it went nice. What was the news at 10 o'clock? I mean, it didn't really do anything to the spread, but what was the news? You remember? You said? Was it PMI?
Consumer confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index.
Took us above, so we're flip-flopping on the previous day's close. Red to green, green to red, red to green, green to red, red to green, and now green to red. But I really would just say red to green only because that's where we opened. We opened lower, so. Plus yesterday's was a down day, right? If I remember you said. Yeah, so we're thinking, are we going to continue down? Or are we going to push above the close and trade higher and make it a green day?
Yeah, yesterday came back down. We also have a gap from the Friday we haven't quite filled, I think. Or no, maybe we did fill it. All right. Is that it there? So it came right to it. How did anybody miss that trade? Who took that? So we had a big push up Friday. Yesterday came down. Today came down right. Looks like right to.
It's teasing me. It's not letting me.
That drop last night. Right? 20 would be 8 o'clock, right?
I
think so. So was that drop last night?
It was.
Went right to fill the gap and then shot back up.
Did it really?
How about that? Yeah, right to it. I mean, ticks away.
Hard to see on the daily chart. Yeah, you're right.
Literally 2 points away. That's crazy. How's that for a support?
Right now, price is sucking on the previous day's close, so let me just stay away. Watching price action, waiting for something better. Let's break away from this previous day's close.
Yep, definitely not a fan of the sideways.
Yeah, my cat's going at it again. Any inside bar?
No, I've seen one.
Not yet. Okay, Top Step might give me a long entry. Do I try it again to get myself over the hump? 7 points. What does 7 points give me? It's $14. I need $45. I'll take a 3-lot. If a 3-lot wins, I pass. That's all I need to do.
Take a break, grab a new drink.
Yeah, okay. I'll let you know guys, if I get into the trade. Okay, it entered the 3-lot.
You take a good trade, take one for me too.
Let's go. Push. We got to get up to 06 plus 7. We got to get up to 13. Not even. I got to get up to 11. 7, 8, 9. Come on, push. 9, 11. Go. We're over. You got to be kidding me. 52,998. Serious? See, I need that thing that Omnius was talking about. Saying that we have the copy. One of the, I think it might be Quant Tower, where it automatically takes you out as soon as you pass. If you know what I mean. Let's say when you get to 53,000, it closes the trade. So I wouldn't have even had to do anything. I could have just let it go. And we looked like we went up to 13. Let me see where I got out. Executions. I got out at 12. Not bad. I got in at 04. Got out at 12, 8 points. Wow, I thought 7 was calculated. The commissions. I got commissioned. Well, I need $2. So what lot size should I take? Anyone want to raise their hand in class? Anyone want to raise their hand and answer that question? Wow, that's good. JC, if you're there, I put coconut milk inside the coffee with just a little bit of sugar. It's phenomenal. If you guys like hazelnut in your coffee, try coconut. Okay, well, it's hard to argue not to take a 1-lot short. I think that'll get me over the barrier. Let's go. Push lower. Come on, just one little. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't make me find the, just go lower. Just for a second. I need $2. Someone sell a few. Let's go. Someone. There we go. Thank you. I'm done. 53,006. 53,006. Where's my, what is this audio output capture? That's not what I wanted. I wanted this. Sorry, I'm switching between screens. There we go. I passed the account. Did you hear the news? No, he doesn't have the things in his ears yet. We're waiting. We're waiting on Omnius. There he goes. Okay, you have to admit, you're looking at my screen for a second?
All right, go. Shoot.
You have to admit. Are you impressed?
I'm
Yeah, I know.
impressed, but there's still a bit too much gray.
And
Come
the
on,
hat.
man.
Wait, let me go back. The hat even has a white logo, I think. Another month, you'll even have more gray.
I don't even think I had gray till I started streaming a few months ago.
Okay, you know what? I'll fix it. I'm gonna brush it in Paint Shop Pro. I write anonymous chat. You trade with 1-mini and pass it easy. I missed it. Easy
like
1-mini. Yeah, there you go. I see it.
You
I
like
was
the
saying, I
gray?
was
Have the
$2.
gray.
So you know when you got up off the chair there,
Yeah.
I was $45 away. So I calculated 7 points times 6. I said that'll get me over the hump. I got out. I was $2 away. I go, you got to be kidding me. $2 away. I couldn't hang on just for another microsecond. So I took I was saying to the chat, I said, what lot size should I trade to get me over the hump? Skeletor said 1-mini. Anyways, I took 1 micro. I got over, but they didn't make it easy. They didn't make it easy. It almost went to a full loss of $14. And then it turned around.
Yeah, just go ahead and full port it, right? 10 minis.
Yeah, full boarded for $2.
I was thinking when I got back, you was drinking coffee. I was like, this guy's the worst guy to ask for coffee ever. I've been asking for like 5 months.
I'm telling
Don't
you,
give me a coffee.
if you like hazelnut in your coffee, try coconut. It is such a good flavor in coffee. A little sweetened. It's better than hazelnut. I'm a big fan of coconut now in my coffee.
Guy drinks coffee every day will never get me a coffee. He's got it right there.
Yeah, look where it's from.
Where's it from?
It's my coffee from yesterday. I actually thought in advance. I bought myself a coffee as I was leaving, came home, put it in the fridge for this morning. McDonald's.
Then it's cold.
No, I heated it up.
Coffee.
I heated up old coffee. And then I put it in the...
I ain't never seen somebody excited about McDonald's coffee.
No, their coffee's good now. They worked hard to get good coffee. They tried and they tried and they tried. They tried. They would give away the coffee for free. Wasn't good. They would try again. They would change it. They would change it. And they finally found it. They found a good coffee. Because we have Tim Hortons here. I don't know if you know Tim Hortons.
That's a home builder.
No, Tim Hortons was a hockey player. Then he opened up a donut shop, coffee house. And
the home builder also.
Out. They pretty much killed Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts was here. I think you guys know Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, we got 2 of them that suck. Both of them. Isn't that bad?
Well,
They're like, there's 2 of them like miles apart from each other, and they both suck.
Yeah, we weren't a fan of it either. And
Skeletor got him some Five Guys.
And Tim Hortons took over the market completely. I don't even think you can find a Dunkin' Donuts anymore. And McDonald's is seeing the money you can make from coffee, so they, their coffee stank. So they would change it, get new beans. They would give it away for free, just trying to get people to taste it. And they did that like 3-4 times. Now they found a coffee that equals, in my opinion, the taste, the consistency, the flavor of Tim Hortons. And
look, I'm so out of touch. I don't even know how to get coffee no more.
I don't even know how to get to McDonald's.
No, we went to the racetrack the other day, and they got this like whole coffee section. That's a convenience store. I don't know if y'all got them, but they got pizza, hamburgers, all kinds of stuff in there. They got this whole section of coffee. I go over there, I'm looking at it, and I'm like, how do you even get the coffee? It's like all fresh beans. Like there's no coffee. Florida, Skeletor, Florida. But
Skeletor's in Florida too, I think.
Then it's telling you like you can have iced coffee also. So I'm like, you can have iced coffee. They're like, if you want iced coffee, just put ice in it. I'm like, well, is it hot? I'm like, how does it even make it?
Poor guy came home with a headache. Okay, let's take a look what's happening on the 1 minute chart. 18-point range. That's not bad. Might get a bit of a band bounce here.
Skeletor's like, yeah, but where? I don't know, man. I don't know if I can narrow it down more than that, Skeletor.
Give me a street.
Might have one of those Patrick moments. Didn't he have somebody come to his house and was like banging on his door or something?
Yeah. Well, you know that's going to be me someday. So if you have...
I'm hiding from the other guy over there. Sometimes I make him mad. I don't know. He might come after me. Only thing I do know is that they don't have guns in Canada. So
that's it. I was just going to say, I'm not banging on anyone's door without letting them know I'm coming by.
I'm saying there's a sign on the door that says, think twice. It's not worth your life.
You didn't just want to go with guard dog? Keep it softer.
I had the perfect guard dog, but she died.
Well, depends on how you want to define a guard dog. I mean, you can't ask for better than ours, except it's not going to protect you. It'll just notify you. Does she bark? Whoo-wee.
Well, I got one that does that now. The other one we had, she had about the deepest bark I've ever heard in a dog.
Ah, wow. Yeah, I've seen some dogs like that.
There was a guy one time, he come knocked on the door.
Order submitted.
I grabbed my dog. The dog's probably bigger than I am. So I grabbed her by the collar and she's like jumping up at the top of the door. I'm like snatching her back like this. Like takes everything I got, just like snatch the dog back from the door. And the guy like almost starts running. So I open the door. I'm like, what do you want? And he's like, nothing. I don't want nothing. Like, wait, you knocked on my door. I'm here now. What do you want? He's like, well, you look
Order
busy. I'm
submitted.
like, well, you knocked on my door. What do you want? And he's like, well, I was going to try to sell you a security system, but I think yours is better. She was a Great Dane Pit Bull mix.
Wow. Great Dane, eh? That's a big dog.
Yeah. I was showing the kids a picture the other day. I was sitting on the couch. The dog was sitting on the floor as tall as I am.
Wow. Well, I don't want to be the one walking the dog and carrying the garbage bag to pick up the poop. That would have to be some big garbage bag.
She was a great house dog.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
My cousin had a lab that was a house dog. Just the tail wagging. You couldn't keep anything on the table. The tail wagging knocked everything off.
Nope. The Great Dane never knocked anything off. She'd spin around in circles of about 100 miles per hour.
Wow.
Get close to the TV, stop, back up, and do it again.
Yeah.
Like the two dogs I got now, they're clumsy as hell.
Let's go. Let's get up to 15. Boosh. It's 2
Like
points.
How y'all so clumsy? And we had a damn giant in the house, and she didn't knock anything over.
Yeah.
She'd run through the house 100 miles per hour. One into the other. Telling you, that was crazy. You ever want a crazy dog breed? You just mix a Great Dane with a Pit Bull. Great Danes are normally like calm and gentle. The Pit Bulls get the attitude. Still haven't gone anywhere, huh?
Yeah, I'm looking at the 30-minute chart. I'm trying to figure out where I want to see price go to so we can have some kind of clear direction. There certainly isn't any clear direction now. I mean, even on the 1 minute, I can kind of draw a gently sloping trend line down that we're kind of under. I don't know, to be honest with you, I kind of see that that's the angle of descent. I'm kind of taking trades. I mean, I'm not kind of taking trades. I'm taking trades, and I'm doing good. I'm all green everywhere, but I'm not taking them with confidence because I'm kind of nervous to where we are, you know? So I'm taking them very cautiously. Breaking above the 15-minute opening range again. What do you think about a second retest if it offers it to us? Of course, I'm talking about my setup where we have a bar that completely clears without touching it. Would you go on the other side? We had the one on the downside. Actually,
Sorry,
yeah, we did.
I was listening, but I was distracted. You're saying that if we go above the trend line?
No, the 15-minute opening range. Now we're on the other side of it. Would you consider a retest trade there? A second one?
We have a pivot point right above it, and then we have the
Yeah, we do.
initial balance right above that.
Yeah, we do.
We also have if we break above, which would be a support at the open range.
So I take that
So,
as a yes.
I mean, could have took it right then.
I
It
take
did
it as
push
a no.
it
No,
up.
not for me.
I wouldn't have took it because of the pivot point right there.
Yeah. Well, how do you?
Yeah, I think if you get a nice push up, come back down, I think that's a viable trade.
Yeah.
Also, we're at this upper trend line again.
How do you define the break to the upside? One
From the
tick
open
above,
range?
like when will you start looking for the retest trade? How do you define that we've moved enough to the upside that you're going to consider a retest? Like me, I define it with a candle that does not touch, that we get fully above it, and the candle, at least one candle where the high, well, not depending on which side you're on, but if we're breaking to the upside, the low does not touch.
So was that it?
No,
Or no?
If you look at the 1 minute chart, they're all touching.
Okay.
So no, I'm saying for you, how do you define? It's the blue line. Oh, just so you don't know, it's this blue line over here, just in case.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's that blue line. That's the 15-minute opening range, which is the blue box, actually.
I don't know. My
It's just
strategy
by
on the
eye.
open
It's just
range
by
isn't as defined as yours.
Yeah, so it's just by feel and by eye.
I keep seeing 1,000 videos about the open range, but I'm not as confident that it works the way they are.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't really watch him too much. I know Patrick Wieland had one that I think he was going for half an hour or whatever. But it was 1-to-1. I think his stop was half of the range and his take profit was half of the range, 50%. So if the range is 50 points, he's targeting 25 with a 25-point stop loss. Don't quote me on that. It could be completely wrong, but that's the way that I seem to understand how he was doing it. And
I keep seeing everybody talk about it, but
that's a breakout trade.
why don't they put it into the bot and show us the bot working?
Yeah. Well, they show you that it worked this week.
Exactly.
Which is ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
Because I got a open range bot, and I wasn't seeing those results. Not without adding other things to it. Anybody can say, yeah, I went back and back tested it. Is what I got.
Well, the only one I know who says he's tested is the guy that says he's like only taken 4 losses this year.
Yeah, on the open range breakout.
Yeah, but he adds, and I don't know. I can't figure out he's not really giving away the secret sauce, because he sells it, as far as I understand, allegedly.
There you go.
I don't want to put myself in hot water and say something that's not true. But it seems like he's adding, and his stop is also very far away. So it's really giving you a lot of potential for success by adding and having a very far stop. And I think if it does eventually stop out and you get kind of slaughtered in one trade, he will enter when it crosses to the other side.
Yeah, I see people talk about that.
And I would say, God forbid you take that as a loss too, because then you need a month to probably recover all your losses.
Bama said he tested Patrick's theory over a month. It was bad. Then saw where Patrick already was exposed. So yeah, Bama, I got a bot that I can basically set up for the open range. Actually, the one that I work with now was actually originally intended for the open range. But I tried many different setups on it, and with the data, never seen
Order
anything
submitted.
that really came through. In fact, I think I got one on TradingView right now.
Mm.
Don't know. What the hell's that? So if people say that it's working, you know, I'd want to know what are the settings. Of course, all kinds of different settings. So I got two of them up there right now. Where are they at? I haven't even looked at them in a while. Strategy tester. One's a scalper and one holds for longer. So the scalper is currently at a 97% profit factor of 3. Looks like it just got through taking a huge loss. I believe this was this July 3rd, August 26th? What's that, about 2 months? Where do we go? There. So it works till it don't. Of course, if you're doing a scalper strategy, actually, there's the loss right there. We can see it on stream. That turned out great, huh? So it took, what is this, 5 minutes, I think? No, it's 15.
41.
So it took the break of it. And then the stop would be on the other side. I've seen a lot of people talking about that's the setup.
Order submitted.
And then this one here should be the same thing, but I think it's going for a longer. Where are the settings?
Order submitted.
I don't know. It's going for a longer, more points. I think it's like half of the open range or something. Once again, it's still green, but not near as profitable as what they're trying to tell you it is. I want to say I got the same one on ES. Get off this damn drawing tool. So the scalper, I think that's the scalper. It's at 83, 1.1 profit factor. The other one's out of 56. So I mean, they're all green, but they're not anything that what they're trying to make it out to be.
Yeah.
And I've seen other people with bots for the open range, and they don't trade it that way either, which tells me, because if they have the bot, and it works so great, right? They trade it, right? So that tells me they didn't find any better success with it.
Well, probably the message in most of those videos is, here's the opening range. Here's the way I am presenting it to you to trade it. This is how great it did last week. Now it's up to you to look deeper into it.
Yeah. Well, I think they pick times when it does great, and they pull all that data up and say, look at this. Oh, I've traded for 3 weeks. Only took one loss, you know, and it's like, okay. So your bot had a little run, so. What I'm working on now, I don't know if I can put it on screen. I think I said something about it the other day. I don't know if I switch over, I might be able to. Signed up for an AMP account yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Just gotta be careful with a personal account. Understand they work different than a prop account. You can get a margin call. You can get liquidated.
Yeah.
Also seen where this other prop firm gives you a full license to a quant tower. So I think that'd be interesting to check out. Once again, because my memory is so horrible. Let's click over here. I can tell you the name of it. Day traders. Haven't really had a chance to really check them out. But they seem interesting. You can get a 50K trial, $37. Margin call and the liquidation is what I have to learn. No. Learn that before you have to learn it. You're going to want to look up some videos on that. You don't want to learn that the hard way.
10:30 initial balance in 45 seconds.
You have to have so much in your account to be able to take certain trades. So I believe on the MNQ, I believe it's $100. And the ES, I believe, is $50. If you fall below that, they'll liquidate your account. Hopefully they will. Because if they don't, you could even go into the negative and then they'll liquidate it and then you owe them money.
Ouch.
So that's a call nobody ever wants to get.
Order submitted.
But Apex never did that.
This ain't Apex.
I only lost $30.
Yeah, I agree with that. Have it, learn it. Cool thing is you can get some of these different programs like TradingView, Quant Tower. They all have paper trading. You don't even have to trade that money. You can get top of the book data. I think it's like $2 or $3 a month.
Order submitted.
So you can have the account only cost you a couple dollars a month.
You
can have multiple platforms. You can paper trade, simulated trade.
Yeah,
I
was saying that yesterday, that the data, $150 per account, per company. But no, I mean, you can make do with top of the book data, like you were saying. I think that's usually $10, $12, $13, $15, something like that. It's not a big expense. And to be honest with you, a lot of prop firms, they ask, do you want to pay extra for level 2? I always say no. I always seem to have, do I have level 2 or do I just
see more and more of them asking that now. I think Bulenox offers that.
I mean, level 2 is showing you the market depth. And if I put up the DOM on any company that says, would you like level 2? And I say no. When I put up the DOM, I see, I'm pretty sure I see all the size. I don't think I just see one level. I'd have to check. Let me look at Apex. Apex has a DOM. Let me see.
Well, if you have top of the book, it's just going to show you bid and ask.
Yeah,
you have level 2.
Ah, you're right. There you go. You see the DOM?
Not yet. Might be delayed.
Yeah, I only got one bid, one ask.
That's top of the book.
Yeah, that's top of the book. More than enough. I don't need more than that.
You only need level 2 if you're using something that requires it.
Look at the speed it moves at. Really, I don't understand how anybody can analyze that. Anyways, with that kind of speed, you need some kind of program helping you.
There's some people, that's all they watch.
Yeah,
I don't know how they do it. There's one guy who's a YouTuber, and that's basically all he watches. Like, how the hell is anybody watching your stream and this is all you watch?
I know. I've seen videos from S&B Capital. What they do is they color code. certain lot sizes, so they don't have to think and they don't have to try and read the numbers. They can just visually see the colors. So they know, let's say if black appears, that's a heavy bid or a heavy offer. And they'll watch it to see if it goes on, off, but if it's staying there and if it starts to get eaten into, I think they actually will take the trade with that bid or with that offer, hoping that it holds, because their risk is very small. If it doesn't hold, they get out right away.
What a lot of people do is they use the level 2 to show them large orders, and the market likes to gravitate towards those orders.
Mm.
So if you're looking for a long, you see a large order above you, then you might move your take profit to just under that large order. Same with a short. Or if you're wanting to set a stop loss, maybe you set it on the other side of that large order. Then it's got to eat through all that before it gets to you. Different ways you could use it, but I've never found that it improved my trading any. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. I just not enough to put it on my chart. If I'm not going to have it on my chart, I'm not going to pay for something I'm not using. So, I don't know. Bama said he's already got level 2 on Ninja. I seen Kellyanne put out a video yesterday. I haven't been able to watch it yet, saying that she's got a free indicator for volume profile for NinjaTrader. I have to go watch the video. Yeah, Bam, if you're using footprint chart, I could see where all that's important. On Quantower, they have a power trade feature that shows you the large orders. I don't know if you have that on the NinjaTrader or not.
I don't know. Couldn't tell you.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that swear by footprint and reading the tape. Level 2, Dom. What are you looking at, Mike? You in trade?
No, I'm setting up my trade copier for Bulenox, but I was just thinking, you know what, it seems a little quiet. We're kind of consolidating here right under initial balance high, so, well, maybe we'll break through right now. But I'm going to go refill. I have coffee in the pot, too. I'm going to put it in my McDonald's cup because it's always more fun to drink it from the McDonald's cup. I'm a big baby.
You just want to pretend like it's McDonald's coffee.
I'll be back.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Had book map and footprint charts. I want to say Quantower has their own version of the heat map. I think if you have the full license, I think you can get it for free. I've never tried it, but I know I've seen videos that they're supposed to have it. If you signed up for AMP, you should be able to get Quantower for free. If you have level 2 data, you should be able to try out their book map, heat map, whatever it is. Might be able to get all that stuff right there from Quantower. Apparently, some of these newer prop firms are starting to offer Quantower. They offer the full license. You should be able to get the book map and all that, heat map from there. I don't know what all ones are offering the Quantower. I've seen this Day Trader. See, they offer it, but I just found out about this company yesterday. I haven't looked into them at all. Companies offer it. But I know a lot of people are liking Quantower, so I assume more and more companies will start offering it. You said you signed up for AMP Futures. Did you already get like your credentials and stuff? You already get signed in? Because you can message them. They'll send you they'll set you up a thing for Quantower. Just tell them what platform you want. They got a bunch of platforms, but I think they've really been pushing Quantower. Thought we were breaking above this trend line, but right back down into it. Yeah, it shouldn't take that long for them to verify it. AMP's pretty good too. You can actually call them and tell you whatever you need to know over the phone also. Bam, you seen any trades? You looking at anything? Long, short? Skeletor, you still there? What you looking at? Long, short, anything? Kind of looking to see on this hourly chart. Do we just like spike up? Drop down? Consolidating. It's running out of room. It's got to break one way or the other soon. Well, it might could go a few more hours. Got to sell at 44. Still tired. I think today's going to be a nap day. Get off stream, go take a nap.
I was rushing, so maybe I made it too sweet.
Was that a Russian joke?
No, rushing. I went as fast as I possibly could.
Ain't you Russian?
Ain't you Russian? I am at some level. Actually, I think. Who knows? Who knows?
I was just saying I'm tired. Somebody kept me awake all night.
Hmm.
Nah, I just couldn't sleep.
Yeah.
Take a long.
That sucks.
Too late? I'll try it.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Guess it was too late.
Yeah, I missed it. It was a 14-point run. I have to set up my
Beautiful.
trade cup here.
Only a jackass would get in at the end of it.
Do you need to play the donkey?
Only if I lose.
No, it's perfect. Didn't make it. Didn't make it too sweet, but it's not in a good place. The bias is long. I can't argue that.
Go. Going the wrong way. No. Not looking good.
Another wick over the initial balance high.
Yep. And you know what multiple failed attempts turns into?
Multiple opportunities. I'm a glass is half full kind of a guy.
Buyers give up, sellers step in. Now the trade was good. I got in too late. Yep, there it went. Whatever. Play the donkey.
I'm watching. I want to see him. I'm raising the bar. There you go. Don't be a jackass.
Be a jackass. Don't chase the donkey. Well, my line of thinking is that the move looked great. I was hoping we were finally pushing up above this. We were going to get it shot up, but we didn't. C'est la vie.
What time is it? 10:47. I was just asking because I'm kind of tired. Like,
Me too.
I mean, not like my brain is tired. It doesn't want to analyze anymore and take any more trades. That kind of tired.
What's funny is there's lines on my chart that show me how I should have took the trade, but I didn't. Yeah, it took me out, and now it's going up. That's the problem with chasing. Its trade could be good, but is it going to be within your stop loss? I was trying to sleep in this morning. Kids were running through the house, screaming and yelling. I'm like, y'all have to. Can I just sleep in for a little bit?
That's what the weekend is for.
Yeah. They're like, Dad, come on, get up. What are you doing? Like, well, I had some kind of hope that maybe I could sleep for another half an hour.
Hmm. I got another reply from the YouTube support.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Well, I'm getting okay. So when I don't know how much of this I told you. I'll just repeat it. When I download a video or when I try to download one of my videos, it sends me to another channel instead of downloading the video.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Kajal Biographies. It's like an Indian channel, and it's biographies of all famous Indian actresses. And when vidIQ tries to give me title suggestions, it gives them to me in Hindi or in Swahili, which makes no sense. So I gave it to ChatGPT, and it says because vidIQ ties into YouTube's metadata, and the metadata that they're pulling up, you're somehow linked to Swahili and Hindi. So I sent all that with screenshots to the guy and said, you have to bump this up to engineering. This isn't a, learn the guidelines issue. This is much deeper than that. So I got another email now. Hi, this is Catherine or something. I'm taking over for MC. And when we have news, we'll contact you. Again, when we have news, we'll contact you. That's like my wife. Oh, you disappeared. I was going to say, that's like my wife. I'm talking and she just walks away. That's a way to make me feel like what I'm saying is interesting.
Yep, I got a hide button. So if I'm hiding, I just press the button. Gone.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Work?
Yeah.
Oh, there's such a delay.
How come I don't have a hide button? I mean, I do, but it's this.
You told me you threw it away.
Here, this.
You didn't get a remote?
Oh, yeah. No, I don't think my camera does that. I think it just had zoom and stuff. Maybe it had a hide button. Who knows? I didn't check.
What else I got? It's got other buttons, but I never use them.
Yeah, that's cool.
So got a microphone. I don't use that microphone. What is this? They make it so small I can't even read it. Let's see. I think there's a zoom button. Maybe if I look at my own stream instead of yours, it won't be such a delay. Look at that, get bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Then I can move around the screen. Dance back and forth.
Look at that, a whole collection of useless features.
Look at me, I'm dancing. Look at me, I'm dancing. Look at me, I'm dancing. Yep. Nope. All I use on there is the hide button.
Yeah, no, that's cool. I had so many remotes, though. It started to
Like
get
you
ridiculous.
said, collection of useless features.
Yeah. I had remotes for some neon lights I had around here, and I don't even know what the remotes are for. There's so many remotes. There was probably like 6 or 7 of them. I said, I don't need one for the camera. I don't do anything with the camera. It's just going to sit there and stay stationary.
I've got me some lights. So I was supposed to put it all around my desk, but I never did it.
Yeah, I wanted to put it around the TV, just to give a little mood for myself.
Yeah.
But no, I didn't take care of it.
All right, be back in a minute. Don't go nowhere.
I'm not going nowhere. I got along at 5:34. We'll see. My stop will probably be around 10 points. Somewhere around that. I'm just going for a quick scalp over here. 34, 40, 41, 42. That's 8 points. I took it. One of my Bulenox master accounts. Maybe I can put this over here. I still haven't found my perfect setup. I don't want to look too much left. I think maybe this is the way to go. Put Bulenox on the screen right in front of me. Put Top Step on the screen right in front of me. They're small screens, so that's the problem. Harder for me to see. I need glasses with magnification so I can just turn a dial and see what's happening. I think I've seen that somewhere. Oh, it's true.
You make me any money while I was gone?
I don't even remember what I did. I think I took a long trade, pulled out $44 on one of my master accounts there. Why did I do that? Top Step had a trade, I guess. I got 8 points on a... No, it was a band bounce. Yeah. No, it was a band bounce off the Renkos, but on Bulenox, not on Ninja Trader. Not on AC. And now I'm wondering why. Are the settings different? Maybe I'm using 55 on the Bulenox Ninja Trader. I will
Notice
tell
that
you,
all these programs, they got different candles and stuff.
No, I'm using different settings. I'm using the fast settings. I'm using 55. That's why. So I had a band bounce over here on my...
I think that was the first inside bar.
Was it really? So I took it. Caught 8 points.
Yeah, these kind of sideways days suck. Oh, well. Still looks like we want to push up. What was that? Are you?
Hello? My mic on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sound like somebody joined Discord or something.
Yeah, possible. I don't even know where I'm kind of surfing the Discord and I'm lost. No, I didn't hear boop.
I just heard it again.
Yeah, not me. Maybe it's coming out of your rear end. You don't even
Maybe.
realize it. Boop. Boop. Oh, we're trading lower. We're trading lower.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. I'm curious. I'm curious.
What we're curious about.
That's only for me to know until we're off chat, off stream.
Okay. What else you want to talk about? Anything fun going on in life?
No, not for me. Not for the next little while. I'm all découragé. That means
I don't speak French.
découragé, discouraged. Discouraged. I got a lot of tough things I got to get through now in the next little while. C'est la vie.
Yeah, life seems to be that way sometimes.
Yep.
When
Well,
things go crazy, they all seem to go crazy at the same time. It's like, really, you can't like spread this out a little bit?
My aunt used to have an expression. This too shall pass. Eventually the skies will clear. We could potentially have a band bounce trade here, which would also be a bounce off the 15-minute opening range.
And the pivot point.
Pivot point, yeah. It's all there.
It's all there.
Okay, so let's take it. I don't even know what account I have, but...
Order submitted.
Order submitted. Let's go to positions. I have it. I'm copying it.
You got the entry already?
Order submitted.
Yep. Took out a piece.
Went in with your entry.
Took out a piece.
Push up a little bit more. We'll also be breaking the 30-second gap.
Oh, yeah.
Order submitted.
Yep. Tell my son, you take the good days, you take the bad days, you average them out. During the bad days, you think of the good days, and during the good days, you be happy about it.
I like that. Yeah, I'm going to think of pleasant memories while I'm working through my crap. What's my most recent really pleasant memory? Let me think. There's streaming with Omnius Trades.
Damn, I made the top cut? Guys.
What else is there?
There was the dance floor with JC.
Yes, there was. There was McDonald's yesterday.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. I was so in the mood.
Mike, stop it. Get your wife, take her out for a real hamburger.
Trust me, we go. We eat in restaurants
Not that rubber burger crap, man. Take her for a real hamburger.
4 times a week. Real hamburgers. I told you, those real places, even better than Five Guys. They call them smash burgers. You have smash burgers up there? It's the latest trend.
Yeah, we got smash burgers.
Yeah. I like them, but the last one I had, they really flattened it way too much.
Order submitted.
So I wasn't a big fan of what they gave me. And, like it went far outside the bun. But, so it's not like they used less meat or anything, but they just made it like almost paper thin. That was too much.
You sound like my kids. I want to go to McDonald's. Like, why? I like their chicken nuggets.
It's delicious. It's
I'm gonna
delicious.
I'm going to look at that video on how they make chicken nuggets. Let my kids watch it so I'll never have to hear them again. So they want chicken nuggets.
Any food that's meat is disgusting how they make it.
Not even meat. It's like a goo.
Yeah, they turn it. Yeah. Well, that's because they add spices and seasoning to it.
No. Well, go watch the video, man. It's like they make it out of like this goo.
Yeah,
disgusting. Make you vomit. The guys that made the video about the McDonald's chicken nuggets, they had all this like goo stuff, and they made the chicken nuggets and they tried to sell it to a prison. And the prison said it's not fit for human consumption, so they sold it to a school.
Even probably more expensive.
They're like, this stuff's so nasty that you can't sell it to prisoners, but you can sell it to a school for your kids.
Hey, prisoners have some solid human rights, eh? They're very well protected. Yeah. What do we got on the range? 9.
I guess it's the same as like hot dogs. Like if you watch how they make hot dogs, you don't eat them for a while. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that.
9-point range on 1 minute candles. Nothing to write home about.
Yeah, I was looking for this long, but I don't know. I had a great setup. It's off of the open range high. It's off the pivot point. Got an inverse fair value gap, but I don't know.
What were you waiting for the entry? Well, remember I got in, you didn't? I was just wondering why you didn't get in right at the... No, it's not. No, it sounds
remember
bad.
I got in, you didn't? What happened?
Yeah, no, it sounds bad, but that's not what I mean. I just mean how come, what were you looking for that would have gotten you to get in?
Or why? The chart works. Hey, the chart works. Yeah, it's always a mystery to me if it's going to work or not. So what I was looking for was this candle here to push up, turn green.
Hold on, let me make you big. Oh, you know what? I got to get you on. Give me a second. I'm going to put you on the computer monitor. Give me just a half a sec. Omnius Live. Did I like your video yet? I think I did.
I don't know. I think two people unliked it.
I might not have. Wait, it's my laptop. My laptop likes to think.
Every day I get likes and YouTube takes them away. Take away my views. They take away my likes. Take away my watch hours. YouTube hates small creators.
Patrick,
the life of YouTube.
6,100 people watching.
Yeah, there's that many bots in the world.
That's fun. It's still thinking. It's trying to connect. I got the little circle spinning. That's what you get. This is on Wi-Fi.
Nah, Patrick Williams has been promoting like crazy.
Yeah.
And he does good at entertaining. I don't know. I definitely wouldn't buy his course or believe much of what he says, but
yeah,
he's a good entertainer.
Well, if I had to speculate, do you think he actually wrote the course, or he had someone else do it, following
They
Yeah.
paid somebody else to make them a
No,
course.
yeah, you're still stretching my head. I still got stretch head.
Oh my goodness!
I still got
Just
stretch head.
you said you liked it yesterday.
That's okay. There we go. I'll make it worse. Let me see.
I might have to separate us again. I'm gonna make you a short, fat guy.
You know
Make
what
me a
it is? It's because you like your beard to look long and like your beard does not look on my monitor, does not look at all like it does in Discord. In Discord, it's rounded. On your stream, it's long and V'd. That's
Well,
okay.
there you go.
What am I? I'm
We
not
just-
supposed.
We just got to put a beard on you.
I came into your channel for education. Now, there we go. You're full screen. Which chart are you talking about?
Oh, now you want me to talk about it?
Yeah, well, it took that long to load.
Okay, what am I doing again? Oh, what was I looking for? Why I didn't take the trade?
Oh, yeah, like right away. Well, how come once we were
So
right on?
So for those people that don't know, we often get trade signals around the same time. Yet you always take yours before mine, and I always take mine after yours. So what I was looking for
And I get out before you.
this trend line. What I was looking for was this candle here, pushing above the trend line. Kind of draw it out there. And I was looking for that to break this red line here, this box, which is a 30-second fair value gap. Also one right there. So what I was looking for was that to break above. I'll take it without the gap, but it's always nice to have that as another confluence. I was looking for this candle to turn green and show momentum pushing up. Preferably some of the delta pushing with it.
Okay, so just more confirmation. But like I said, I get in early, but I get out earlier. You get in later, you get out later. So you would figure by now we would learn that we should take my entries and your exits.
So if we look back here, we've
Can
seen
we be
another
rich?
one. Trend line pushing down.
Mm.
Don't gotta be perfect. I like the ugly trend lines. Trend
No,
line's
no.
not not important. It's just signaling that there's kind of a trade setting up.
It's just
And then
the
we've seen
slope.
here where the bot got in, pushed up,
Nice.
and then some dummy trader chased about right there. Pushed up, didn't make take profit, and took a stop loss.
Mm.
So, if you're not a dummy trader like this guy over here, not you, me, and that's what I'm looking for.
But
Pull back, break of the trend line, change from red to green with momentum.
yeah, but that I'm seeing like an arrow and a line, and then the arrow is higher. It looks like it took profit. No, on that first one. I don't see the
Right,
time.
that's the bot I've been running in the background.
Yeah, the second one looks like it lost, if I'm reading it right.
Right there, right? Yep.
Yeah,
Once again, that's the bot running in the background.
yeah, that one. Boom, boom,
That's-
boom.
That's what I said. The bot drew perfectly how I was supposed to trade this. Just didn't work out. Everything works great in theory. So right now what I'm looking for is, I don't know, it's still going sideways. How about you? Anything?
No, we're in no man's land. Short, kind of on the shorter term Rankos, long on the longer term Ranko. I mean, obviously the bias is up. We are trading above previous day's close. We went red to green. We're above VWAP. The only problem is we didn't close and hold above initial balance high, but that doesn't mean it isn't bullish and doesn't mean it can't continue another leg up and finally push through, eh? That trend line you got on the 1 hour and on the Well, I got it on the 4-hour.
Same thing.
Right. Are you qualifying it as being broken already, or that's not enough yet?
No, I never broke it.
I don't know.
Yesterday it pushed above, but
Yeah.
had a candle or two and went right back below. Today it never even pushed above it.
Oh, no. Look at my 4-hour chart there on the top. Kind of shows it did. Yeah, right there.
So I would consider that yesterday.
But
and if you look at are you on a 4-hour?
Well, no, that's a 4-hour chart. Can't be yesterday. It's 4 hours ago. Yeah, 240 minutes, the 4-hour. Look, it all depends on how you draw the trend line. Hey, let me move my account. I don't even know why my account data is up. It wasn't supposed to be early
Yeah, that's
on.
yesterday. That's yesterday. And it pushed up and then came right back down. It just wicked above it. Can't consider a wick. Can't consider a wick breaking it or pushing up again.
Mm.
Go. Do it. It's just choppy. Everything's choppy.
20, 34. I'm going to get a long entry at 34. Not sure.
But I got in before you?
Yeah.
What the hell?
You did.
That's not giving me confidence.
11:15 coin flip. Let me close down my connections. Wait, let me close down all my orders. I don't need any problems to happen again. I don't think they'll reinstate an account twice in a row.
Do it. Push. Do something.
Wow, 11:15 showed up quickly.
Yeah. Well, I took the trade. It's just kind of chopping around.
Yeah.
It might be my last attempt at this area.
Okay, so what do we need? We need account number 49. And account number 42. 42 gets in.
No, still chopping around, not going. Boo. Order submitted. My bot's fading me. Oh, man. That don't instill confidence.
That's so funny. Okay, it's coin flip, which isn't coin flip. It's
It took me out. That's my last attempt at this area. I tried.
Joker's not around, so it's chat's choice. Anybody in the chat want to pick? Who picked last time? I picked, in case and nobody in the chat picked. So we give it a minute till 18:13. 11:18:13. If anybody wants to pick in the chat, say the direction. We'll take it. Long or short. Bama. Skeletor. I got them both going. First one.
And this is a 10-point R&R, right?
Yep. Let me set it up. Coin flip. It's not a coin flip anymore, but maybe make sure I'm on 49. I'm on 49.
Yeah, I might have to come up with a different way to do it. I don't think people want to pick direction.
I don't mind. And we're going to pick it. This time it's your turn. And I'm going to Yeah, no, I picked yesterday.
All right, short.
Okay, you're short. I say long. Not because not because the other person has to go opposite. I just think the trade is a long. Why? Because we were above the 15-minute opening range. It's a bullish day. We're above previous day's close. Oh, it's true. 510. So I got to enter in a 5 lot over here also on the other account.
Look, I tried long twice.
Yes, you did.
So now I got to try short.
Buy limit.
Okay.
There we go. So you see the 2 trades.
Wait, how come my chart's going down and yours ain't?
I don't know. What do you mean? Maybe I'll open it up a bit more. Yeah, you're in the green a little bit.
It's like seeing the future 5 seconds ahead of you.
Yeah. My chart is on a delay. If you're looking at the stream, you're seeing your chart. Yeah, it is.
Wish I could look at my chart and trade on yours, huh?
That would be really cool. There's a lot of stats I'm tracking now.
Mm-hmm.
Whether or not you and me pick better.
Oh, now it's a competition, huh?
Yeah, you're 1-0 so far. You were right yesterday. I was wrong. Funny, I have a feeling that's gonna really hang around the 50% level. I think the coin flip's gonna do better than us. That's just a prediction, but we'll see. Yeah, you're short. Shit. You're short at 20. At 25, I should have entered a trade. See, I need another platform or another account to trade off of, because now I can't do my 5-point my 3-to-1 trade when it goes 5 points against me. Maybe over here. Hold on, let me see if I can do that on the 240. No. Chart trader. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Is it?
Stopped out. Let's go update the stats.
Wait, I lost?
You lost. I closed my order.
Oh, man.
And it's a good thing I couldn't
I should have flipped the coin. The coin's doing better.
yeah. Futures floor. Nightbot. That's right, Nightbot. Timers.
You ever watch that one, Bull Barbie?
No, never even heard of her.
I like the way her stream looks.
August 26. Oh, yeah. Day 2 results. Trading 11:15. Currently, 1 winner, 1 loser. It is currently 1 winner, 2 losers. Thanks to Omnius. Minus 112.
Oh, she's got the ticker thing at the top. It keeps freezing. I used to have that on mine. It kept freezing. That's why I took it off.
Me versus Omnius 1-1. And account 42.
We'll say hi. Although I can't hear her.
Ah, I made a mistake. I can still get in on account 42. There we go.
We'll say hi, I can't hear her if she responds.
Okay, I'll stop talking.
Oh, wait, there's somebody else on there too.
We mean somebody else. Where are you? You're on her stream, no?
Sounds like Rips. No, that's Methodical Man.
Uh,
Isn't it? have to go to methodical, man. Is she not live? He is live. I told you. Called that one. All right, get off of there.
Okay, let's see what this trade does. This trade enters once the original trade stops out.
All right, what's this trade?
Remember, if the original trade stops out, the second trade takes it in the same direction. Tries again. Second swing. Strike one, this will be strike two.
Okay.
My theory was that the second swing at the bat will do better than the first swing at the bat. But I only get to take the trade when it loses. If it wins, if the original wins, there's no trade on this account. So this account's only trading the loser. So however many losers there are, that's how many trades this account will do. It won yesterday. Let's see what it does today. In the meantime, let's take a quick look, see what we're dealing with. 7-point range on the 1-minute chart. That's lousy. 30-minute. We gotten over the Asia session highs. I mean, look, this is... You don't have to twist my arm to make a case for the bulls over here, eh? Over Asia session highs, over London highs, over previous day's close, over VWAP. Pretty much trading at the high of the entire session.
How come every time I take the long, it keeps losing?
I think that's it. That's all. There's nothing else I need to say about all that.
They don't keep chopping people up until they just push it, huh?
Let's go. Let's get down to 21.25. Make another winner out of this one. Open it up. You guys can see it easier. Getting there. 5 points away. Doesn't mean anything, but let's hear the cash register ring.
You like that cash register, don't you?
I do. It's my favorite sound. Actually, if you have a trailing stop, I don't know why they did that, but it's actually the sound of the trailing stop also by default. So if you set an aggressive trailing stop, your cash register goes bananas. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. There we go.
Oh, yeah, when it moves. Yeah.
That's two. 2 wins. Plus 93. And what did this one get? Another plus 93. So it's making $93. So it's 186. Actually, it's 187. I can see it up top. Update. Thank you very much, Omnius. I got 2 notches on my belt on that trade. One was going in the opposite direction with you, and the other one was taking a trade on the loser.
Now I see why you think my video is stretched, because you have yours smushed.
No. I don't.
Yes, you do.
Nope. I can prove it to you.
Look at the futures on the background. You can see the F smushed.
What do you mean the futures on the background? You
Yeah.
mean my hold on. The name futures floor?
Yeah.
No, there's no smushing.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. If I'll screen share later with you, and I'll show you. What you're doing is you're not just cropping, you're actually grabbing and stretching and you're manipulating the screen dimensions. I just crop.
It is
you know
crop.
what I mean? Yeah, well, there's two ways you can crop it. There's one that actually manipulates the dimensions, and there's one way that doesn't manipulate. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. It'll take 2 seconds.
I knew I'd get you going.
Cam, private, room, just me, unlock. There we go. So, if I do Alt, see, that's not stretching. Hold on, you're gonna. Oh wait, I gotta shut my alarm.
What am I looking at?
Oops. Great. Edit, undo. There. Let me start again. I'm watching my stream. It's not showing up. Hold on. Okay, I'll tell you the time. 29:23, because you're going to see it. 29:23, 29:24. You can see that this is cropping. It doesn't stretch. There, you're going to see it now. So that's all I do. No matter how big, how I play with the dimensions, it only crops. It doesn't change the dimensions. I am claiming that you're doing this at 29:45. Oh no, wait. I'm claiming you're doing this. You're making it fit. Watch the 53:54 second. You're making not yet. You're making it fit by playing with it. You know, that's a difference. See if but I'm not doing that. I don't make it fit by moving the image. There's two different ways. So here, if you undo it, edit, undo, now it's back to its normal size. And all I got to do is make it the right height. And
hey, you just did it.
No, now that's normal. When on that undo, that was back to normal. That's regular. And now I'm just going to open up the screen, but I'm not stretching it by putting more onto the right side. But it's okay. No. I mean, hold on.
Just did what he said he didn't do.
Hold on. There. Wait, there we go.
I look good stretched. I look good stretched thin and as a fat guy.
That's the problem. I know. It doesn't even look bad. I'm like angry. I'm saying I stretched him double and it's not even bad. Okay, let's put you back. Edit, undo. There we go. Thank God for undo.
I make it look good. I make it look good either way.
Mm-hmm.
I can't do undo no more. I told you that, right? The studio, every time I undo it, like just screws everything up.
Well, when I
for all these updates and charging money and everything they've been doing, things just keep getting worse.
Yeah, when I had the undo with all the memes, if I clicked undo, it would play all the memes really quickly. It would run through them all. I think you saw it even one time and you said, what the fuck?
Yeah. It's funny, they keep sending me notifications telling me how much better it's getting. And I'm like, well, I just wish it would stop doing all this dumb shit. I tell you what we'll do. We'll go over here and you just tell me when you're fat enough.
I don't know.
It's like yesterday you were like, that looks good there. And then like today I didn't even move it. And you're like, you're stretching me again.
Yeah, a lot of people come never happy.
Look, I'm gonna put you way up here. Look at that. Just kidding.
There you go. See, you are stretching. So you should have a button that says reset to normal, and it would give you the right dimensions. That's probably around where the right dimensions are. But you should have a button. You should be able to right click and it's called reset transform. because it's called, at least in OBS, it's called transforming, not cropping.
Reset, transform. I don't know that. I don't know about that.
Yeah, we're using Prism. That's the thing. So their language might be different.
Edit, transform, reset, transform. Control R.
Control R. I didn't know you have a. There you go. That's perfect right there.
Can't leave it in the middle of my screen.
No, but that's perfect. Now flip it. Now go back into transform and flip it. So it's not, what do you call it? It's not backwards. So flip.
Rotate 90. That wasn't it either.
No, it's flip.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, we're going to get it. Watch it. Just keep rotating 90. No, rotate 90 won't do it. It's flip.
Yeah, I got to get back to the beginning. Okay. It's one of these. Horizontal, I think. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. Now it's too fat.
No. Just wait.
I got to put you on a virtual diet.
Just wait. I can't see it. Remember. Okay. Now slide it into your box. And now use, you know how you were cropping there before? Now crop again so it fits properly, because now we're too long. So you got to get rid of some stuff on the, you got to bring it close into your O and close to my S so that we fit in your box. So get close to your O. Well, okay. And get close to my, now bring us down. And now you got to come closer to the top of my F and closer to your chin, if you want us to fit in your space. Otherwise, give it more space.
Best I can do.
No.
You still don't like it?
Okay, there you go. That's good. Nah, because you made it smaller. You did it right. You didn't stretch it. You shrank it. So now I'm even a little chubbier, which is good. There you go. Lock it. Is that good?
No,
I will never complain again if you leave it like that.
All right.
I look like a human. I don't look like a stretch alien.
Pretty sure that's about the same.
No. What time is it? 11:35. I'll take a screenshot of 11:35 and 11 o'clock, and we'll put them side by side, and you'll see.
Trying to put me in a box.
You're perfect, but you're. Oh, why is my monitor no good? I'm not close to my F there. There we go.
Now you messed it up again. Oh my goodness.
No, I'm perfect. Wait. I'm watching. I got close to my F, and you're supposed to be closer to the S's so we can make those recap trades without having you all the way on the left side.
Is that better? Oh wait, I gotta fix that over here.
Or more in the middle. Okay, let's get back to trading. Stop with the video engineering.
Didn't I get beat up enough?
Yeah, you did. You did perfect.
Sometimes I gotta find other things to occupy my time so I don't keep getting beat up.
I know what you're gonna. And tomorrow you're gonna stretch it again just on purpose to say, no, I kept it the same. It'll
be the same, and you'll be like, you stretched me again.
No, you can see I'm a conehead. It's easy. I get calls from all over the world. What's wrong with your head?
Goodness.
So yesterday my wife said she loves you. When is your wife going to proclaim her love to me? I'm waiting. It's too one-sided. I need you to come in and say, you know what? My wife said yesterday she loves us.
Did I tell you about the Canadian Mike? Did I tell you that story?
Mean Mike M-I-C, like a microphone, or Mike M-I-K-E, a person?
Like you. Your name's Mike.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. You said Mike. This is also Mike. Okay. No, you didn't tell me about the Canadian Mike.
So I was telling her, I was like, Mike don't like being called the other guy. And
Mike don't like being called the other guy?
Yeah, one time I told you that talking about the other guy on stream, and you're like, "Oh, that's what you call me, the other guy."
Oh, yeah.
You're like, "I got a name. My name's Mike." I'm like, "Yeah, so does everybody else, and their name's Mike too." So it's
the
like, which Mike are we talking about?
guy.
It's not my fault that everybody's named Mike.
It was. I do remember when I was young, I was all proud. It was the most popular name.
So, anyways, I was telling her, I was like, "Yeah, he don't like being called the other guy. Apparently, that offends him." She's like, "Why?"
Such strong language. You're misrepresenting me. It
She's like,
offend me.
She's like, these Canadian people.
Sheesh. Okay, I gotta talk to her. You're misrepresenting me.
So I told her, I said, well, maybe I'll just start calling him Canada Mike. And she's like, there you go, that's a good one. And then she said, or you could call him Canada Mike.
Canada Mike.
So I might just start calling you Canada Mike.
You can call me anything. Y'all can call me anything. You can even call me the other guy. Do we still want to trade anymore? Hey, volatility picked up a little bit and we bounced off previous day's close. We're staying green.
Look, life's about finding the small things to laugh about.
Yeah, exactly. I laugh about everything. I really do. People get angry sometimes. Hey, you shouldn't be making jokes about that. No, I make jokes about everything.
Why?
I'm always joking. And you know what? Not all the time I hit. Not all the time they're funny. Sometimes people just look at me odd.
You get that too, right?
Sometimes people get offended because they don't know I'm joking. But well, I'm always joking. Once you get to know me, if you get offended, you should just say, no, you know what? He was probably just making a joke. It just didn't. Yeah. It just didn't land well.
Life's short. Find something to laugh about.
Yeah.
Plenty of things in the world to get butthurt about.
Hey, come on. Even professional comedians don't land every joke. You can't expect every joke to be killer. You know, you fire them out, and some make you laugh, some don't.
Mm-hmm. I agree. So which one you like better, Canada Mike or Canadian Mike?
I don't know. I'm concerned that your wife thinks I'm...
You're still stuck on that?
Yeah, I'm overly sensitive. Why is he so sensitive? Why is he offended?
I think it was
the wrong word.
I think it was the HE double hockey sticks.
I will talk. I've seen her appear in the camera a few times. I'm going to yell out to her when she's around.
I think it was the HE double hockey sticks or the other one. What was the other one?
I don't remember.
Was it shithead? I don't know. I asked my kid. He even laughed.
Bullshit.
Yeah, bullshit. Yeah, I asked the kid. I'm like, yeah, is bullshit a bad word? He's like, well, I'm not supposed to say it at school, but it's not really a bad word. I'm like, that's what I said. Kid's like, can you say bull poop? I could. I mean, I want to. Then the wife's like, you could say bull defecation or something.
Bull defecation.
Like, she's like bullshit better.
It stinks.
No, my wife don't think you're sensitive. Calm down.
I'm good. Eventually, when I make my way down to Florida and I visit you, and she gets to know me, she's going to look at you and she's going to say, Omnius, you were all wrong about him.
Well, what if everything I said about you is good, and then she's like, "You're all wrong."
Then she won't. Then she won't say that. Then she'll say, "Well, you were right." 11:43. Let's prepare in advance. For all you wildly chatty people out there, if there is anybody on the far side of the moon that wants to tell us what direction to take the next trade, speak now or forever hold your peace. How do you get the time to show on the chat? There was a setting, no?
I think that was the extension you added, but then you took it off, I think.
No. What was that? Yeah. Hyper chat or something. Yeah, no, the chat, showing the time just shows automatically, but I think you have to enable it. Does it show on your stream? It's not showing on your stream. On my phone, it's not showing.
Bama said if it touches 475, he's a buy.
If it touches 475. Okay. Bama, we going long or short with the it's chat's choice?
He wants to know about a 10-point trade.
Number 49. Going to count 49. We do this every day, twice a day. It's okay. It's just on an eval.
He said no clue.
Flip a coin. Our coin flip was doing 66%. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about it. I would...
Gotta go back to the coin flip.
No. We're doing this. That's it. We'll give it 30 more seconds. Bama, you got 30 seconds. Anybody in my chat want to pick it? Not, I will be picking short. It's my pick. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got nothing. I am short.
Wait. Bama says wait for a high.
No. That worked that way.
Broken.
Yeah, no, that worked that way. So, do you agree with my short, or do you think it should be long?
Who, me?
Yeah, we're tracking. We're tracking the pick.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, you got to pick. Try not to wait till it's take profit.
You're short. I guess I got to take it along then.
No, you don't. That's the thing. You don't. We're tracking what we think. What do you think? We're tracking who, if we actually pick, what's our success rate? You can say the exact same thing. It's not a heads and tails type of situation.
Oh, well, theoretically my chart says short, so.
Yeah, okay. So in this case, we're both... I'm
supposed to be looking for shorts. So
yeah.
Would I short right here? Probably not.
No, but the direction is short. So I don't need to score this one because it's just going to... Oh, yeah, I'll score it. It'll make us...
Hey, what about those little ice creams that Burger King's got? Y'all got those too?
No, I don't even know what that is. I never buy dessert, so I don't look at the dessert menu. I have no idea what you're talking about.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
I get a terrible stomach ache if I eat. Maybe I'm lactose intolerant. I get a terrible stomach ache if I eat dessert after food. But
Good.
I would figure I would get a terrible stomach ache if I eat anything dairy, anything dessert, anytime if I was lactose intolerant. But it only comes after a meal. I got to wait like a half an hour. Oh, and they're terrible. Yeah. I get these terrible cramps. They hurt.
Yeah, my daughter can't have milk.
Yeah, my son either. But the thing is, I can have all those desserts that give me those cramps after a meal. I can have them if I haven't eaten a meal. And they don't do anything, so it's the weirdest thing. Anyways, it is what it is.
She goes to school, though, and they have the chocolate milks, and she can't say no. And no matter how many times you tell them, they're not going to enforce it.
Yeah, but they have the pills. My son takes like a lactase or whatever. It's
really?
Yeah. And you can take it right away. Like, take it, you drink the milk.
I don't know anything about that.
They sell them at Costco. It's like 80 of them for $15. Saves them from the stomach aches. Hey, we hit it. Okay. August 26th.
What's the name of the pill?
It's
over the counter?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's always complaining about stomach aches.
Yeah, it's terrible. He gets terrible stomach aches if he doesn't take it. Okay, so that's 2 winners, 2 losers. We were down 112, but how much did that one bring in? What account is it? Well, it's usually $93, let's say. So we're minus 24. 2 winners, 2 losers. We're 50%. Me versus Omnius. Well, we both won on that one, so it's 2-2. We both scored a goal. And account 42 doesn't take a trade because it wasn't a loser. And we're bouncing off previous day's close again. Oh, I have a short.
Yep, my bot just took a short.
Short at 06. Let's see if I can get a better price.
So, how was the bot trades today? Of course, they sucked because it sucks during sideways market. If it took every trades without the directional filter, what would it be?
I'll add a 13. And I'm targeting a break under the previous day's close. You know what? I shouldn't be short over here, to be honest with you. I have a reason not to take this trade, and the reason not to take the trade is to bounce off the previous day's close. I'm getting out of this. I'm not a fan of this trade. I think I'm going to be more selective in my trades. Very stretched on your stream.
Again? Oh my goodness.
I'm bugging you. Oh, it looks so good. That's a photo I could send to my kids.
Need to find a way to add a directional filter to my bot.
Did you go short? Because it hit target, eh?
I don't know.
99. We got to 99, 499. That was target.
Looks like the bot went short. Still going short. So that one would have been cut out from the directional filter.
I saved it. Okay, let me close this. So, okay. And wow. I didn't do much recap clicking, marking off spots. Well, it was a good day for me. I'm happy with the results, I guess. Passed another Bulenox account, so that will be that will sit in the pending column because I already have 3 master accounts. Yeah, I lost 1. I had 10, 11, 12. I lost 11, number 11. I don't even remember how, but I'm sure it was on stupidity. So I filled it up with 13, and now I got 1 pending. Yeah, it's good. Now, you know what? I don't know if you were there. No, I was talking to Woodchip last night. I stayed in because I was doing some work on that billboard thumbnail. And I just stayed in the chat. What chip came in? I don't think I'm going to do nonsense anymore. I think I'm just going to do the grind. Because I do very well when I grind it out. My numbers are always green or very well managed when there's a loser. Mm-hmm. And I think I'll just accept those results and I'll just try to get more accounts. You know, maybe not like Joker with 36, but maybe get up to 15 accounts.
I don't see the point in that many accounts. I mean, is he really like trading 36 accounts at the same time?
I don't know. It's hard for me because I got to trade the Bulenox now. And, you know, it's like I'm saying if I have 3 of them and I trade 1 every day, I almost got to be trading Bulenox every single day. And I try 9. I said, wow, imagine I get up to 10 of them. I got to start copy trading. And I don't trust my copy trader. So now I'm losing them.
Yeah, everybody's got their own way of doing things.
Yep. Yeah. You know, like he was telling me, go to a 1 lot for a month. No, that's not for me. Even if you think it's good advice, that's not for me. I understand you'll learn a good lesson, but, you know, I've been there, done that. And for me, that experiment, I can accomplish with 2, 3, or 4 lots. It's the exact same thing for me mentally. A 1 lot, a 2 lot, a 3 lot, or a 4 lot. Anything under there. Anything at that size. Because I know the loss will be manageable, and I know my PDLL will cut me off at minus 190.
I think the problem is if you go to a 1 lot for a month, then you're used to 1 lot, so then you have to size up again.
Exactly.
Throw you off for another month, having to get used to sizing up again.
I'm working so hard to try to understand how to size. My brain is not wrapping itself around it properly.
One thing that helps is going by the point system instead of the money. Because really, I don't see a money value anywhere until I click over and look at the accounts. I mean, all day long, I'm up, I'm down. I don't know what I'm up. I don't know what I'm down. I know if I take 2 losses, what that around about what it puts me at. And I'm good for about 3 or 4 losses in a day. If I go over that, I don't want to trade no more. They're in a row.
What just unhandled exception error has been thrown by the target of invocation.
I don't need a money value to tell me that I shouldn't be trading anymore if I take 4 losses in a row.
You know what today's a good day for?
Really, if I take 3 in a row, that 4th one's going to have to be a nice looking trade.
Yeah. That's enough.
And I know that there's days like, well, I'll sit here and it's just trade after trade after trade, and they're just giving away money. So I know days like that come, so I don't need to fight days that's not going my way, because I know there's plenty of days that go my way.
So when you watch me trade, are you thinking that I'm over trading? Like, is that something that goes in your head? He says, why is he trading so often?
To be honest with you, I probably only see about a quarter of your trades, maybe less than that. Yeah, they're trading all day long, and I'm like, did you trade? I don't think people look at you as much as you think they do.
Fuck. Thanks for ruining my day.
I mean, I got my own screens, my own charts,
my own life.
I've never been on a stream and just had that stream running.
Yeah, and by the way, you're off to the left side again. You're not beside your S.
It's because I'm over in my chair looking at you. It's your fault. I'll come over this way. What's up, buddy?
If you're not in my recap video, don't blame me. I couldn't catch you. You were off to the left or the right, whatever it is. Okay, I'm calling it a day over here, guys. I appreciate everyone showing up. And I will be streaming tonight, I think. Oh, no, I will not. I gotta go. Sorry. I have errands I need to tend to. So I will not be streaming tonight. I will stream tomorrow morning, 9:15. And you know what? I don't know. Maybe I'll stream tonight. I'll have to talk to my wife. We'll see. Sorry for going back and forth. Maybe I'll stream tonight, but for sure I'll be here tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier. Thanks for showing up. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button if you haven't had a chance. And that's it. Sorry for rambling.
He's like, I'm definitely not streaming tonight. I might stream tonight, but I'm definitely not. But I might. I've talked to the wife. Definitely not, though, but I might. You need her. Does she have to make the decision?
No,
I'm not knocking that because I make my wife make the decision a bunch of times. So I'm not knocking if that's.
She already made the decision that I'm not streaming tonight. We're busy, but I'm going to try and change it.
But we're busy, but try to change it. But not streaming. Definitely not, but I might. Guys, appreciate everybody hanging out. Hope everybody had a good day. If you're green, don't give it back. Red, don't go on tilt. It's always tomorrow. Appreciate everyone. Hit the like button on the way out. Of course, my likes go down on the way out. Either YouTube takes some more people unlike thinking they're liking. Oh, well. Who cares? Later, guys. Appreciate everyone.
Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp. Click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact. And now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.